When a commercial dishwasher fills with water but refuses to start the heating cycle or displays a low water error despite being full, the issue is often a faulty float switch and probe assembly. Welcome to PartsFe. This component is a critical safety feature designed to protect the machine. This part fails because of heavy mineral deposits or grease buildup. These contaminants cause the float to stick in the down position, tricking the system into thinking the tank is empty. When this happens, the machine cuts power to the heating elements to prevent permanent damage. You will find this assembly located inside the lower section of the wash tank. To see it, you must first remove the metal strainer pans at the bottom of the chamber. It appears as a small vertical rod with a sliding circular float. To replace the unit, start by disconnecting all electrical power and draining the tank completely. Locate the exterior access panel to find the wiring leads and carefully disconnect them from the control circuit. From inside the wash tank, use a wrench to unscrew the mounting nut securing the assembly to the wall. Carefully pull the old unit out, ensuring the mounting hole is clean and free of old gasket debris. Slide the new assembly into place, making sure the rubber gasket is seated firmly against the interior tank wall to create a watertight seal. Hand tighten the mounting nut before giving it a final turn with a wrench for security. Reconnect the wiring leads on the exterior, replace the access panel, and restore power. To test your work, run a fill cycle to ensure the float rises freely and the heating sequence begins as intended. You can find the link to the dishwasher float switch and probe assembly in the description below. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts in the USA and Canada, visit PartsFe and follow us for more expert appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.